beautiful recipe which you guys 100% gonna love. Okay, yeah man. And it's not gonna be complicated. So first of all, we got one medium-sized green apple. I'm gonna use 2 medium-sized green apple, guys. So but I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna put in the apple first. Into the blender. All right, yeah. Get one more. Half a lemon. Let's take some fresh ginger. Fresh ginger. Let's put a few celery inside of it. Just gonna put a little bit of water. We're gonna blend up this a little bit because the blender is small and we need to add more ingredients. So pour out this in the meantime and it will go and drain. All right, now we're gonna get some celery. So we're gonna add some celery to it. This is a very healthy and delicious drink. Now, you see this? Don't add any water. Just blend it natural. Come right here. So this is a green apple and ginger right here. And as you can see, I put a few of the celery. So we're gonna put the celery inside of it. All right. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing, because I'm just simple. You can have this, nothing wrong with this, but when you strain it, it drinks so smooth and light and nice. I'm just simply showing you how I did not use a lot of water, and look how much liquid has come out of these things. Nice one. Let's take a little bit of a froth. Lovely. But as you can see, I did not use a lot, and look at that. And that is fantastic and amazing. All right, so if you like it, you know exactly what to do. All right. Here it is. Pour it out. Lovely celery juice with green apple. Very good, healthy, and nice to drink at home, guys. All right, so tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because this is such a beautiful recipe. I want to encourage you to make it at home 100%. All right.